The human body is incredible. With 1.5 gallons of blood, 21 senses, 206 bones, 640 muscles, 42 billion blood vessels, 7 octillion cells and enough DNA to stretch to the moon and back 8,000 times, you are incredible. And to celebrate that, I've gathered 15 cool, but weird facts about your body. Your body is constantly burning calories. Even when watching TV, you burn 1 to 2 calories every minute, and reading a book can burn as many as 120 calories an hour. Men have nipples because there used to be women in the womb. The human body develops as female until approximately 60 days into the pregnancy, when testosterone kicks in and one of the X chromosome's legs falls off. Men can produce breast milk. Both men and women have mammary glands. That means that men can lactate, although it's never been properly studied and the milk's composition is unknown. Your body is incredible at adapting to different situations and circumstances. You could remove your spleen, stomach, reproductive organs, 1 kidney, your colon, appendix, both legs, both arms, both eyes, nose and your outer ear and survive. Stress can make your hair fall out at 10 times its usual rate. It can also cause many health problems like headaches. There is also evidence that stress can lead to faster aging, cancer and even death. When you sleep somewhere new, half of your brain remains conscious. It's a primal instinct that ensures you can react faster to any threats that can present themselves in the new environment. Although it's not technically to do with your body, Backpfeifensicht is a German word for a person whose face badly needs a punch. According to a study done in the UK, the average person experiences 9,672 minor injuries in their lifetime. There was a point in your life when you was the youngest person alive, and there will come a point in your life where you'll be the next person to die. You can have surgery to remove the lens of your eye. If you have the surgery, you can see ultraviolet light. The human eyeball has a definition of 576 megapixels and can distinguish between 10 million different colours. However, some women have tetrachromacy, a condition where they have an extra colour sensing cone and can see about 1 billion colours. 90% of people are right-handed. Right-handed people live 9 years longer than their left-handed counterparts, possibly because 2,500 left-handed people are killed every year using right-handed tools. If you remove all the empty space from the human body, you would fit into a space 1/500th of a centimetre in width. That means that everyone on Earth could fit into a cube 6.7 metres wide, just by removing all the empty space. At any one time, you breathe more heavily through one nostril than the other. Known as your nasal cycle, the purpose of it is to allow you to distinguish between the 50,000 scents your nose can recognise more easily. Some smells are sensed quicker and bind to receptors easily, and some smells require more time to be sensed. Hence, one nostril is more open than the other. Your nasal cycle alternates every few hours. Hibernation is a state of suspended animation experienced by many animals, such as hedgehogs, frogs, squirrels, and humans. The human body is so adaptable that when under extreme pressure it can actually hibernate. Although very rare, there have been several cases of human beings hibernating. Take the case of Anna Begerholm, a radiologist who in 1999 fell through a hole in a frozen lake. She was under the water for 80 minutes, 40 of which was spent in circulatory arrest. During her time under the lake, her body temperature fell to 13.7 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees below the average. She was revived from a state of hypothermia after 9 hours. There's also 2-year-old Paulie Hinnock, who escaped from his cot in the middle of the night and crawled outside. He was discovered outside his Wisconsin home after several hours in the snow. His body was in cardiac arrest and his blood temperature was 18 degrees Celsius.